Hello, lovelies. So it is very late to do this on the 11th day of my 30-day challenge. And part of what I wanted to remind myself was there's no particular protocol necessarily to follow for these things. For these tapings, it's really about as it is, as it comes, as it is, as it comes. So I have had a very busy weekend, and earlier today I was at a body painting event, which I think I will wrap into another segment at another time. And so when I asked Spirit, I'm like, seriously? It's like really late and I'm still supposed to do this, right? It's like, oh yeah, you're supposed to still do this. Okay, so what am I supposed to talk about? Well, what came in was the idea of gratitude. Gratitude for universal guidance, but also gratitude for self-determination. Today I found myself with a whole new crowd of people, and I figured, well, with all this taping that I'm doing and putting myself out there, I'm interested to see how I witness myself when I'm in different environments. And so one of the environment that I was in today was really lovely. Everybody was lovely. The intention was about love. It was called Love Fest, and it was about embracing self-empowerment and affirmations. Cool, right? Right along with what I do and what I'm about. And so I picked up a shirt that was graciously given to us by the organization, and on it said the humble warrior. Humble warrior. Which is pretty much right in line with what I think I am. Excuse me. It's late and my lungs are not happy with it when it's late like this. I'm getting over something. Anyway, humble warrior. And what I realize is the humble warrior archetype does really not suit current day PR. Humble warrior and current day PR are not something that really go together. So I'm listening to guidance about that, and I will keep listening and see how to modify my history and my scar tissue around it. However, what I wanted to mention was how much I appreciate things lining up in my, I know my babies are there, in my life, in my business, in total, meeting certain people, having certain transactions with people. It's pretty much baffling my mind on some level, and yet I also totally get it. And so I think today it's about more about the gratitude part, partly because it's late in the day and I just want to be thankful for the alignments that are occurring in my ability to observe myself, in my interaction as a human with other humans, and learn from them, and just in general that, you know, this is a pretty cool time in universe. Excuse me. And a lot of people are really lining up with their innate desires and purpose, and that's pretty cool. So, just reminding you and reminding myself that these raw videos are honest and heartfelt. That sage went just straight into my throat right now. Sorry. And that I really, really appreciate being able to have a second wind in my lifeline. I've had many wins, many midlife crises, with which were followed by wins, breaths, and so just acknowledging that I appreciate that that is continuous. It is available for all of us, and there are no limitations from the universe or from guidance as to what should happen when. We have to allow. We have to allow. We have to ask, and we have to allow. So today's challenge for you is one, recognize a few things that you're grateful for in the process of your life, whether that's for business or for personal, how things are lining up for you with which you can be appreciative and take a moment to be appreciative for. And with that, giving yourself the credit, the human part of us wants to receive credit and affirmations, acceptance, all that sort of stuff. So what can you give yourself as far as a process that you've held and sustained, and now you're allowing yourself to see the fruits of your endurance? It's pretty cool. And we're not necessarily encouraged to stop and notice those things. So I offer that to you now. We offer that to you now. Guidance is offering that to you now. Stop and appreciate some of your lining up of people and of situations and of scenarios and of your will and all that sort of interesting things. So, yep, that's your challenge. And if not the acceptance of the challenge within yourself, then at least take a moment before you go to bed and appreciate the benefits and the good things in your life. And so you can go to sleep and repair and start a new day. My puppy is saying, yes, please do that. Yes, you are. And so I will connect with you again, and I wish you much encouragement. I wish you much empowerment. It is all possible. There are good days and there are bad days, and I support you and press you through to find the good days. You are not alone, and I'm here to help you if you need it. There are other people who are around you if you need it, and all you need to do is ask. All you need to do is ask. Be well. I'll talk to you soon.